This is the barn owl. Silent, mysterious, ghost-like. With its heart-shaped face and haunting eyes, the barn owl has earned the nickname, the ghost of the night. When it hunts, you won't hear a sound. Its wings are specially designed to fly in complete silence, making it one of the most efficient predators of the dark. Its hearing is so sharp, it can locate a single mouse moving beneath layers of grass or snow, and with a strike that's fast and precise, the prey never sees it coming. For centuries, people believed barn owls were omens of death, but in truth, they are guardians of the night, controlling rodent populations and keeping ecosystems in balance. Beautiful, mysterious, misunderstood, the barn owl, a ghostly hunter that rules the darkness,